Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix app could not be downloaded due to an error 504 on Google Play Store. Okay, so guys, this is a timeout error, happens when you try to download or update a large game or an app. Okay, so I'm gonna show you a couple of methods over here and you can try that out, and let's see if this fixes your issue or not. Okay, so method one we have is you have to clear the cache and data of Google Play Store, Google Play Services, and guys, if you see Google Services Framework and Download Manager, then you have to clear their cache and data as well. Okay, so let me show you how you can do that. So you just need to go to the settings of your phone and find here apps or application manager. So here I have apps, and you just need to swipe to the right to all tabs and find here Google Play Store. So let me find that. So here I have Google Play Store, just tap on it and then tap on clear data and then tap on OK, and you need to go back and find here Google Play Services. So here I have, just tap on it and then tap on manage space and then tap on clear all data and then tap on OK. And guys, you need to go back. Okay guys, so here you need to find Google Services Framework. So here I have Google Services Framework, just tap on it and then tap on clear data and then tap on OK, and you need to go back and find here Download Manager. So here I have Download Manager, just tap on it and then tap on clear data and then tap on OK. Okay guys, so it's now done, and after that you need to remove your Google account and re-add it again. Okay, and guys, if you have more than one Google account associated, then you have to remove every account. Okay, so let me show you how you can do that. Again, you need to go to the settings of your phone and find here accounts. So here I have accounts, just tap on it and then tap on Google. So first we need to remove the Google account. Tap on Gmail and then tap on this three dots over here and then tap on remove account and then tap on remove account again. And guys, you need to do this for every account, okay, if you have more than one. Okay, and after that you need to tap on this add account and then tap on Google as you can see it's checking info. Just enter your email and then tap on next. Enter your password and then tap on next. Accept the terms of service. As you can see it's checking info, so we just need to wait a little bit. Okay, so you need to just scroll a little bit and then tap on next. Okay guys, so as you can see that our Google account has been added, and guys, after that you need to reboot your phone and go to Play Store and try to download or update an app. Okay, so try this method one and let's see if this fixes your issue or not. Okay guys, so you tried this method one and it doesn't fixes your issue, then you can try this method two. So method 2 we have is this error also happens because of slow internet connection. Okay, so if you are using mobile data, so just switch off and turn it on again. Okay, so and after that you need to go to Play Store and try to download or update it. Okay, so try this method too, and let's see if this fixes your issue or not. And you can very easily do that. You can turn off your mobile data and just turn it on again. Okay guys, so you tried this method too and it doesn't fixes your issue, then you can try this method 3. Okay guys, so if you are using Wi-Fi, then you have to forget Wi-Fi on phone and connect it again. Okay, so let me show you how you can do that. So just go to the settings of your phone and go to Wi-Fi, and just press and hold the network that you are connected to, and just forget just tap on this forget network, and just tap on press and hold the network, and just tap on connect to network, and just provide your Wi-Fi password, and then tap on save. And guys, and also if you are you can try to switch to another Wi-Fi. Okay, and just go to Play Store and try to download or update in there. Okay, so try all these methods and let me know in the comment section whether you are able to fix this issue or not. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and if this video helps you, then please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more updates. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.